Hello! In the previous video we took a quick look at URL for a remote desktop product. Today we will dive deeper into it. I will tell you all the features and how to configure them. Let's go! The first and the main feature is to redirect links embedded into applications. In remote desktop sessions, suppose there is a database application or spreadsheet document with tons of links to different web resources. By default, once you click a link, it will be opened by a web browser running in the remote desktop. But FabulaTech makes the magic. When you click on one of the URLs, it's been opened by default browser on your local desktop instead of remote session. By the way, it works even if the URLs are triggered from scripts or your own code. Of course, the URLs should be reachable from the local computer. By default, all URLs, both HTTP and HTTPS, go to local computer. But what if you don't want to redirect certain URLs or you want to redirect just certain ones? It's possible using GPO. You just need to specify URL masks that you want to redirect or keep opening on remote site. So, open GPEdit and go to the administrative templates. FabulaTech, URL for remote desktop server. Double-click on Open HTTP and HTTPS URLs on the workstation side. Click Enabled. In URL matching mode, choose Whitelist if you want to redirect URLs specified by list of masks below, or choose Blacklist if you want to open certain URLs inside remote session. And don't forget to run GP update if you edit domain policies. So, let's redirect FabulaTech and Apple sites to the local desktop. All other URLs will be opened inside remote session. If you want some URLs not to be redirected, you should choose Blacklist here and specify URLs you want to keep on remote site. Let's open URL for remote desktop manual inside remote session, and all other URLs will go to my local computer. It stays inside remote session. It goes to my local desktop. The second feature is about documents redirection. By default, double-click on some file in remote session leads to launching associated application on the remote server. But FabulaTech made it possible to use the application installed on the local computer. Which files to redirect is determined by the file extension specified in GPO. So, double-click on Open Files on Workstation side by extension. Click Enabled. In Extension List, type in the list of extensions you want to redirect. docx, xlsx, PDF. Now, let's try to open them. The document came to my local desktop. I clicked the docx file in the remote session. but actually my local instance of editor was invoked. Let me try the same with PDF and XLSX documents. The same. They are opened by the corresponding applications on my local computer. Keep in mind that all changes to these files on local computer won't be sent back to remote session. The third feature is to redirect URLs with custom protocol. Custom protocols are widely used by different software to launch applications from the browser. The most common example is Zoom and Teams applications. So, in order to use this feature in GPEdit, double-click on Open Custom Protocols on the workstation side. Click Enabled. In the protocol list setting, type in custom protocols you want to redirect. Okay, for demonstration purposes, I prepare a link for Teams meeting. Let's open it. Let's open another link for VNC session to my Mac Mini. Now you see that in both cases, exactly custom protocol URL was redirected. That's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you, and I see you in the next one. Peace.